Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. I am in my car. Dear Ejimini Bandase, let me open this vlog up. Molweni Bandase. If you're here for the first time, and if you are returning Sabi, thank you so much for coming back. Dear Ejimini guys, today is Monday. Dear Ejimini, I am having a coffee up. Oh, I choose the guys imoto. I can't even open windows because umien wamsana. Because my husband akakhawuleza uthemba yonke into lena. So on Friday when we picked up the car, bathe phayana bacela bana iwindows singazivuli for 48 hours so that ilanduke smash and grabs ilanduke sizokwazi ukuhlala kakuhle. But now it's over 60 hours up because Sailanda around Friday about 4 p.m. Yo, we were so late guys. Uzuqonde hey sasibeke elinye ixesha salibhekelisa safika nemoto ingaqunywanga because bese kuzovalwa yayi lonto, and I couldn't take i-content kakuhle ngenxa yalonto, and I'm so mad at myself, but it's fine wethu. So let's go to the gym guys. Let's go to the gym. I am trying upper to open ilantuka and you start so that at least in this vula isunroof a bit so that kuzongena umoya ngondisukayo yabo. So mandihambeni guys, ndiye ejimini ndiyonqena nokonqena. Oh, I am done. I am done from the gym, guys. Guys. I'm so tired and I'm thinking, bana, konje I do not have ilantika. I'm thinking, bana konje I do not have. Yundivalele umdu sana. I'm thinking, bana konje I do not have ilantika. A brush your clean toilet, and I'm supposed to go to air at home okanye Mr. Price home, but and I'm going home. I haven't eaten anything today. I haven't eaten anything guys today, but it's fine. Wait, what did I do now? Shapini guys, my lips are so dry. Ndinqedwe enye intombazana apha ejimini yandinika one deep. So ngoku ndibuyohlamba lips zam dry. And the time is 3:30 p.m. Ndifike apha ngo-2. Akujimekanga kakuhle guys today because I forgot. Okay, I didn't forget my headsets and this bone, and I saw them pin and this ejimini ndingenazi headsets because sana udistracteka so fast xa ungenalantuka. Like andibina energy, can't be energy tu yonke noise nje iyandiphazamisa. Masameni manasi. Guys, it's a garage. I hope you are able to hear me. Ashlum, you are making noise. I hope you are able to hear me, but Ashluma, this is Otta for the first time with this car, and I am driving. Clock it. Hi guys, good morning. Yo, ingase ndingakhala ndilapha emotweni because I am looking for my headsets. Izolo andijimanga kakuhle njengoba benditshilo. So I want to show you this. Not sure if niyayibona guys, but this is what we got from the dealership. Ndifuna unibonisa what's inside. Kukhona ezi treats and then is fears. Basinike JC Zai2 7% alcohol volume. Ndizazibekela someone ke ezi zinto. Ukhona umuntu othanda this drink ekhaya. I just hope nje I won't forget and akho umuntu uzonimosha xa ndizibekile, and I'm thinking of storing them apha emotweni because I don't think ukhona umuntu ozozithatha apha emotweni than xa ndizibeke endlini. Then ibe zii-peanuts. Itsho ke ngoku ibe zezilantika. Oko ndisithi ndifuna unibonisa guys, cha ndiyalibala, but now ndiye ndathi xa ndingena apha emotweni ndikhayela ezi headsets. Sorry for that. Ndalantu, oh guys, I don't know noba zii-tonsils noba zintoni, but i-throat yam ibuhlungu. Guys, let me quickly take a bath and then ndizawulanda ndizohamba ndiye ejimini kwangoku sesekuseni. I think ndizawusase ndiye futhi eMr Price Home so that ndizawukwazi ujonga laa brush ye-toilet. Maybe I can also check for ilantuka, izihlangu zabantwana bam. Hey guys, when it comes to uZiyana, I am always stressing because eza teki besanomthengela, I think 2 months back eWoolies, uthi zibuhlungu. Like xa izinqibile uthi zibuhlungu, and samlinganisa sobabini notatakhe sabona uba ziyangena and azisokolisi. So now kumele nimkhangelele ezinye izihlangu because unebhutsi qha. The rest of her shoes zilantukile zincinci, and then unyanam udinga unazo ke yena ke, but udinga i-Crocs, but not Crocs, ihagu, idubu. So ndizabajongela ezo lantuka only if andonqenanga mandase. Yo, now I will have to buy ilantuka because kungenzeka uba ndazilahla eShoprite, because Sunday morning ngona nendixelela ubana ndiye eShoprite ndiyothenga iimbotyi ndandizipheka. And then uba kwenzeka intoni after that but yeah guys,
days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all.
Yo ndilibele isiciko sale nto. Sayizamisa njani na? Yo ndithini guys, ndilibele isiciko sale nto and ke kumele nditsho ukuthi let me rather have this yodwa le mandiyeke. Hayi ndisise ndibeka bendizama ukwenza i-protein shake yam, but ke ngoku Oh, ndiyenze ndizamise ngale nto. Ndilambe down, guys. Qha ndinomsindo, man. Yazi, amanye amadoda are so disrespectful, shame. Yho, iyadika nendoda, guys. Indoda ephaphayo. Ayadika amanye amadoda. Iyandicapukisa lo bhuti lo. Ndiphuma phayana ejimini. Like, he is forcing me uba ndimnike inamba yam for ntoni. Uthi uyayibona iring, uyabona uba nditshatile naye utshatile, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter ntoni na. Ndinomsindo ke tana, yazi. Ndilambe nolamba. I think nanso enye into enenza umsindo kakhulu. Ndilambe nolamba. The time is, maxesha khona 12:25. Ndiphuma apha ejimini, guys, but andikwazi ubuyela back endlini because andiyazi laa nto yenziwayo mani phayana outside of my gate. So kugrunjiwe. Bebeqalisa kudala begrumba ke, but bebeshiye phaa egeyithini. So ngondiphuma bebesebeqalisa ugrumba kule ndawo ndizohamba kuyo. Andiyazi uba benza ntoni. So uthi lo bhuti bezixelela uba no, andizophuma. Andizophuma njani na? Uthi bezixelela uba andizophuma, but ke ngelakhi ke ndiye ndaphuma bengekagrumbi kakhulu. So wabesithi ngoku ndingekhoyo bazabe begrumba. Andiyazi, guys, uba bafaka ntoni. I really don't know, shem, uba bafaka ntoni. So ngoku ndilapha ndimkisa ixesha wethu. I'm even thinking of going to my friend ndiyombona and give her a ride, shem, because Sana, she's my day one. Abone nemoto. But ke ngoku it's far, man, apha hlala khona from apha endikhoyo ngoku. Yho, ndihambe, guys. Ndihambe ndingaklinanga noklina nalaa nto uba ndizaklina kandibuyi. Qha ngoku le nto yenziwayo ke because ngenzeka uba abantu abakagqibi, like yonke laa ndawo sihlala kuyo. Andiyazi noba bafaka ikheyibhuli yantoni okanye ntoni. I don't know. I didn't even ask. Mandiyenze le shake. I think umntu wayebabuzile ngumyeni wam. So nguye owaziyo uba benza ntoni na. So andiyazi noba ndingena apha emall ndihambe ndiyobona ifriend yam and then so sendihamba naye ndiye eAlbertine kwelaa cala. Mandihlale wethu apha emotweni for a bit ndizifundele iBhayibhile and then xa ndibona uba ndidinwe nyhani ke like yo guys ndilambile. I'm even thinking uba inoba ndingatya ntoni apha because I don't want to make bad decisions when it comes to eating. Ngenxa yoba ndingenanto yotya. I don't even know what to buy apha emall. Guys, okanye mandihambe endlini ndibona uba bakagqibi na. But yeah, guys, hey, andibe ndizifundela iBhayibhile le noba ichapter nje A1. This is my husband's Bible. Ndivele ndayithatha nje ngondiphumayo bendisonqena ujonga eyam because bendigqibele Sunday and today is Tuesday. Wow. Ngoku bendisiya elandikeni ecaweni.
It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you.
Ndiyazincama because ndilambile. Ndiyayazi ke uba inoba ndizawutya ikota because ndiya etshomini yam. Ndigqiba umfowunela ngoku khona. So ndamxelela uba ndizabe ndivalelekile kwam endlini. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see me, but well. Ndiyamxelela uba ndizabe ndivalelekile endlini because of laa nto yenziwayo phaya. Ndihlala apha ejimini ngaphandle. So wenze washing but uthe mandize. Oh, Sana, guys, one thing about me, I do not pitch. Ndingachongo. And ndiyemizini yabantu, guys, ndingachongo. I will never do that because nam soze ndithande loo nto leyo xa isenziwa kum. Umuntu avela athi gqi kwami engakhange atsho noba uyeza. For ntoni sana? Amke DJ ke futhi. Let me DJ. Son, Facebook is so toxic, eh? Hi guys. The time is 9:00 a.m. I've just received my Shein order. Guys, I'm still in my PJs because in the cleaner. Because they are cleaner, but ifuna unenzela ihole nyana nje encinci from Shein. But it's fine. It's not gonna be a try on haul. I'm just showing you what I bought. I do not think in the Itanda. The quality is not what I expected. With my husband. Oh my gosh, I don't like it. Nancy guys, I'll show you in pictures. Uba ibinjanina. Oh my gosh, I do not like it. Because there's detailing up. Nalapa, but sana, I do not like it at all. Yo! I couldn't disappoint. The second one, I just hope it's this satin skirt. Because I don't know, guys, the ends are fast because I am rushing, guys. Order and I need to go to the gym. But in the Salindene Vodacom, I kakafiki, they are delivering ilantuka, router. And this satin skirt, I chose black bandase. I just hope there's a fast in J and I won't fit anything. I'll just put a picture next to the item and in the bonus sayona. And this top, what size is this top? It's big. It's big, son. If a chance in the I fit, maybe I fit later on and show you guys. I don't know, but I'm just doing this so fast in case if nale shirt that I've been eyeing in the phone, but I thought low brown or corner would dark. Zitzunga ezim pouch yam your phone Lena. Let me show you the pouch. Bana injani now. It is butterflies. Sana, my hands are so itchy. Ndiyasebenza guys. Ndiyaklina and benza muphinda impahla up. Oh, Bandase, what is this? The hairband. Why is it 2? I thought Z3 was for a Jimini. I don't detail. Epinayo. Nesi skirt and this one is in this patele. Ubana sana sit tongue out. Itanga long slit like acid upper a tongue and the game nugget skirt. Then the sense like a guys not for swing. But now in a oh Chungan Sisinga esuzocho up. I think its lips are conacitic are cool. Then that I guess I forgot and you're going this is my second pouch. Guys, if you've noticed, the standard it pouch is a transparent. I don't like ilanto. Here's a bit of I don't like let me order ilanduka in my from Take a Lot. And then guys, this belt is working. So I decided to I decided to order elam liyamsebenzela. So that's all bandase nge-Shein haul yam. If I decided to do a try on haul, I just put ilantuka apha ecaleni nezibona uba zihlala njani. But yeah, thank you so much. Why is it thank you so much? I'm closing off the vlog. Bye bye. Hi guys. Hi bandase. Quickly, ilantuka yam. This thing, yeah, it's not working. It's not working, shame. So I am quickly rushing to pick up my friend, Ian Kappa. I am off to I am off to Elanduken. I am off to Kubina eJoburg. Ndiyokwenza ii-nails zam and also ndiyothenga ilantuka ze-customer, iqhiya ze-customer, umuntu ebefuna ndimranele. So andiyazi uba ndizawuyenza njani, but I think I'll park e-park station and then ndihambe because indawo ezinintsi endizihambayo azina-parking. So masihambeni guys. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, it is Wednesday today. I'm not sure the date. I think it's 4 or 5 up. But yeah, masihambeni guys. Ilantuka le yaseVodacom benisithi ndiyilindile ayikakafiki, past 2, it's 8 minutes past 2. So I don't have a choice, ndiyayishiya because sana iyandilibazisa guys. So ndidecide ukuyishiya. Umyeni ndithe if uyakwazi uphuma emsebenzini early azaphume eze apha endlini because I think ndizawubuya a bit late because after I'm done doing my nails ndiya sizophumela emall. I don't know which one, but ndizawubona, but sizophumela emall. Guys, sorry andinjonga because I am busy with something apha efowunini. Ndithi guys ndizophumela emall. I need to pay ilantuka what is this? I need to pay for my Foschini account. Guys, isana le moto andiyiva naxa iduma ndinixeleleni. I need to pay for my Foschini account, guys. So ngiyathamaya now. I'm just hoping manzo khawuleze ndigqibe kwi-nails. I'll do something elantukileyo quick wethu. I didn't like ezibendinazo. Not that wazenza kakubi, but the color we were trying ibingasebenzi. Can mamele makhadzi lela. Hi guys, I hope you're right. I hope you're right, bandase. My lips are so dry, guys. Nabixesha ngoku 9:25. Abantwana ngona bahamba baye esikolweni and transport ifike xa ndiqala ubafaka emotweni ndisithi ndiyobadropha because ilate. Bangafowunela transport driver akabambi ifone, bangafowunela esikolweni bathi mandifowunele udriver. Nqonda I am so mad because we are paying for la transport besides school fees and then ke le transport yapha esikolweni. But ke problem yami, yes, I have a car now ne. Ngendibasa ndibabuyise, but what about xa ndingekho? Umzekelo, let's say I'm in the Eastern Cape or something, ndishiye abantwana bazawusiwa ngubani because abantu abashiyekayo apha endlini abakwazi udrive. Yho, umsindo endinawo bekumele kudala ndigqibile uklina, ndikwazi uklina bekhona around the house. Loko ndiwandithi xa ndithi ndibafaka imoto ndiqona imani nobi yeza sekude kube leli xesha nje. Guys, mandikline fast and then sizohamba siyobhatala la account bekusuppose uba ndiyibhatale izolo. Oh guys, ndilapha emotweni yam. Oh sana nisezawuthi kwandim, but there's a dress I bought izolo ezizommakoti, but ezizichipu kakhulu hey ezizichipu kakhulu. The Rehoboth ne, but ndithenge kwenye indawo nje apha eJoburg. Ndifuna ukuyitry apha kum ndiyibone ba quality wise injani na yabo for uba nam ndingayithengisela abantu. So ngoku indele lokho ndiya apha ekoneni ndifuna ukuyoyilantuka. ukuyoyinciphisa uba bayikhathe apha emazantsi, yabo. So ndicinga noso sendisa izihlangu zam kulaa mntu ophaa ekonini olungisa izihlangu.
It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I will keep you warm. I will hold you closer so you don't feel the cold. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
amabhujwang kanye icrop igroup yecrop for abantwana because abanazo into zokuqisa. So ngiqonda let me quickly update you ningabonisana sendiye mhle.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same.
No, we are fine. Thank you. Oh, Sana, we are eating in the car. Silambe down. Chunike Sana, the reason why this stop up.
Mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again.
I cannot pay for ilantuka sogqiba sihlale ingathi hlala for 15 minutes. Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. Oh yeah, ngqala lo fridge sana. Let me remove this bantuka. Sisike zamnyama bantasikile lantuka. For ilanga. Jogan. Finally. Suppose by if you get on Monday or Tuesday. Today is Friday. Kungona ifika sana Jogan. And I didn't order in my ticket, guys. Could take a lot because we were supposed to go to Eastern Cape today, but something came up, we couldn't go. So I think I place the order after Lelanduka. After Nimbonisile. Let's unbox Lelanduka le router ya same Vodacom. We do have a router upper ending, but I feel like ayisasebenzi kahle, so eVodacom ke kwathi mashintshe i-router, and then we had ilanduka idatha. Sasinedatha engakanani na for inyanga? I'm not sure man, but sabona basana hey sasiyithathe isithi 600. Ngoku xa sichecka kwilanduka kwi-bank statement seyibitsala i-1.2. Imagine guys, double the price. So complainer. And then sacela baba sehlisele la data because besisebenzisa idatha encinci, uyabo, besisebenzisa idatha encinci. Why do I feel like it's the same router njengale lapha endlini? Besisebenzisa idatha encinci, sacela ubana basehlisele because it's expensive. Because basisokolisa guys, we've been trying to downgrade when it comes to ilantuka, and yes, no one did downgrade or what, but oko sasizama basehlisele idatha because yonke la data sasiyibhatala sasingayisebenzisi yonke. Vodacom ngotsotsi shem. Sorry banditsho. Because sasibangafona kuthiwa masifonele kwintontoni masifonele kwabantu sibafoneleyo, bathi bona badili ngezonto, masifonele i-customer ntontoni and try to cancel. Sibone ubana asinothatha idatha entsha na. Sana bebesizulisela. This is the packaging, yabo. Bebesizulisela guys, finally ke bavuma. So sacela okay, basehlisela from back to 600 again, but sabona ubana idatha engaphezulu kwale 600, engaphansi manje ngemali kwale 600, but engaphezulu it's less. Sabaxelela ba no sana, we cannot be paying more for idatha encinci, whereas bene plan nanoma iplan noba yintoni ke. Whereas bene plan yobana you can pay, I think it's 4.99. Yeah, we can pay 4.99 for idatha engaphezulu kwale besiyibhatala. So yeah guys, it yafika. But luckily we didn't have to change ilantuka sim card. We're still gonna use the same sim card esiyisebenzisayo, but the one that we've been using, but bazayifaka khona. The only thing abayidelivileyo, it's only router. Yeah. So ndifuna ukuyizama guys, but ndisacleaner sana, but ndifuna ukuyizama ndibone. Ziyafana wethu ezi zinto zaba bantu. Where do I switch it on ke ngoku? So lena iswitch on only xa ise plug in. Ayinayo la on and off njengale esinayo. Yabo. Nathi guys, andithi mandinibonise, and I'm thinking of closing this vlog here. And there's no one to ndiyagagamela na. And yes guys, but when I'm done cleaning, they are able to send e-parcels zabantu bam. And then what else can I need to go home and sort some things phayana. Oh guys, bendisithi hey ndiyaventa. I am venting. Bendisithi sana ndizawulantuka ndizanigowela malunga nepatch. Guys, the headache. Yo. I-headache guys andiyazi ndigqiba uyikhupha namhlanje because today is Friday nandiyifake Friday. I-headache bandase hayi sana, it is out of this world. I don't even know noba ndiyiyeke or ndiqhubeke mhlawumbi eventually ndizawude ndibe right. That is why I opted for i-IUD ke guys, because it's non-hormonal yabo, ayinamayeza nento. I feel like izinto ezi-hormonal ziyandohlula. I've tried injection for le 2 months. I was on my period the whole 2 months. I've tried 3 months. I was on my period the whole 3 months. So I've tried ipilisi. I'm bad when it comes to ilanto and ndizibone ngobe ndizithathela i-trifostyle ngobe ndizithathela la cyst beninayo. Yeah, guys, I had to take them every day at the same time, but sana bad. But ke ngoku i-trifostyle inqabile kwayona, so andiyazi mani guys uba ndingasebenzisa ntoni. Please recommend guys, ndiyanicela, please recommend something oyisebenzisayo and oyibonayo uba ikuphethe kakuhle, ndifuna ukuyitrya. But I'm just giving i-patch i-chance. Ndifuna ubona ngoku because ndizawufaka i-patch yesibini. It's only a week mos i-patch uyifaka for a week, uyikhupha for 3 weeks, and then the 4th week uyaphumla. That's when uzoya kwi-period, and then yabo all that stuff. But yay guys, ndiyagowisha, I don't wanna lie. Ndisoloko ndisozela, ndisoloko ndilambile, ihanga. And cinga ngapha ke ngoku I'm intermittent fasting, I have to eat after 12. But i-nausea ekuseni, ihanga, guys, hayi. And ke ngoku abanye abantu they are complaining, bendichecka i-reviews, abanye bathi ibagainisa i-weight. Andinolunga guys kwinto zondigainisa i-weight, whereas I'm trying to lose weight. Guys, I am done shooting content for my business. And oh sana, I am craving it up. Hey sana, ihlobo enditya ngalo these days. I am craving ipapa guys, but I just want to quickly go to a shopping center ndiyothumela izinto, but ndicinga ukwenza ipapa very fast before ndihambe, and also ikhaphetshu ne-pill chart, like ndicrave ezo zinto ezo. Yo, ngaze ngagowa ngimncane guys. Let's cook. Yeah, let's cook very fast and quick in a hurry. Hi guys. Oh, I'm in the epic. Moreni, today is the holiday, and as the man did you Women's Day holiday, but Monday namhlanje I am at the salon, outside the salon. This is umntana. 156. Ayo dusty here, sanibonisa. Yo guys, ndishiya onyeni eye eShoprite to get few things for abantwana ophatha ngomso. So uye up. Let me show you it dusty guys. After that, I think when I'm back home, sizohamba siyokujana inyama. I am so lazy to cook guys namhlanje. Lazy to cook unless if ndifike sephekile. Mood wise hayi ndizadene nebhorele into yale mood guys, but I feel like ilantuka ile patch ndiyifakileyo. Ndinika i-chance for a month, even though ndifumene i-prescription for 6 months, but ndinika i-chance for a month. Ndifuna ubona uba after a month, or let me say 2 months, because andithi ndizoyifaka for 3 weeks and then week 4 andizoyifaka ndibuyele kuyo when I'm done with my girls yabo. Maybe after that ke phinde ndiyifake ndibone after sendiyile.
My walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get.
Nurse is careful.
Yo, hi guys. Hi banaseke sana iyawa ifoni yami. Guys, ndisukodropha abantwana esikolweni. Oh sana ndibayeke balala today because the weather. Kunet guys. I hope niyandibona. And I just dropped the kids off at school. It's 9:25 ngoku. Bebe late ndibayeke ngamabompofu babalale guys. It's so cold in Joburg. Kuyabanda guys. Kuyabanda. Yo. Bona bayeke ngqone amabalale bagqibe bazivukele then bahlambe basesikolweni. So now ndilapha e-shopping center. Ellipses zamsana. Ndilapha e-shopping center guys. Namehlo wami enze yayo. Ndize ePep. Luckily kuba ke crash yabo is not far from the shopping center. Their daycare yabo. And yo ndaqonda hayi man, I have 2 parcels that I need to drop off at Pep ne that I need to send kahle kahle. Ndaqonda kuba sendikufitshane, hayi. Kuba sendikufitshane and ngelakhi bezilapha emotweni. So lapha ePep ngizothumela ezo parcels ezo. Tomorrow is my daughter's birthday. So xa ndifika endlini I'm gonna take a bath. Guys, ingathi ndiliphara. I look like ipara. Ingathi ndizawubamba abantu inkunzi. Sana, I forgot to show you. I did my nails the other day. Sana. Did guys ingathi ngiliphara. Yo, andifakanga nebra and I don't care. Bendisisa abantwana esikolweni ndizobuyela endlini but kuba sendikufitshane apha ndaqonda hayi man. Let me drop off ezilandukazi abantwana. Umthixo lo mntana uvula le moto uzobetha le moto isecango kwayo ngecango. So ndaqonda mandisese ndize apha ePep ndizothumela ii-parcels zabantu. So let's do that. 7 to 9 days apha onqabe guys. Ngisayithandile top for amajerumane wami and I was looking for something like this. Ubrown wakhona? Oh, wena kubrown iyangena ngoku ndiyothatha isigxadafu guys. I was looking for something like this. So it's 12, 18, 24. I think my husband will. Okay, my God, for banners in money. Okay, there you go. 24 each. Okay, 6, 12, 18, 24. Wow, which flavor is this one?
Get over you again. Have to get over you again.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
These flyers. Yima eze malin. It's 59. Is yeah okay. It's the same price. Mustard.
Don't let white cheddar flavored.
Zimnandi nazo. Guys, siyaphela singabazali. So I have
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Hi guys, ndizama unibeka apha. Ndizifumene izinto ezibendinibonisa zona ne. So now sise-New Market to get party packs from pack from Panda stores. If asizifumane ndizawuthenga eziyandiqhela uzithenga eCheckers. Abo. So the party packs Meles Bay 21, Meles Bay 22 including Unyanam because it's about a fight. So let's go to a Panda and look for the party packs. I am with my friend Ufuna Happy Siena. Sesibuyile eMacro and Sana. I need coffee. No, I chai latte.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are
Baby shower.
Chomi uthe izinto zemalini.
10 rand.
But I think eziyazo bendinethemba sana, but ezezifunwa ndim azikho. Kukho ezi nizibona apha behind me, and it's 9 rand each, and it's gonna be expensive to be honest. But Chomi, 9 times
9 times 21, 22.
22 ne.
Chomi phela ngeke ngathi ay 3.
So, meaning guys, a Panda, failure, but this is what we got. We got no happy birthday, no for becele u4 or pink, but we do not have ulanduka. They don't have u4 or pink up. Oh, Chomi, but I'll jump peace.
right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Chomi, mustard.
Chomi ndithela kwanto. So,
Utoitola. Let's bless the food first.
amen.
Yo.
Yo, ayisana. I think uyithathile le because uyayithanda yomthandazo.
Into Chomi.
Because ukhulanga uyenza.
Hayi Chomi, kuyabulela ukutya. Ndakufunda kumakhulu.
Wawuyenza simncinci?
Ansendlini mina I don't bless the food. Nguziyana no ayahluma. Nabo bafunde crash.
Bavunywa ngomanye.
Bafunde crash. Oh,
No.
Inye ifoni le
Isebhekini.
yona.
Isebhekini Chomi.
Ngifuna udijayela sana usitya.
Isebhekini. Yo, izofuna uwehle ke ngoku. Ngo. Imbi.
Umbise sejabo.
Ngathi ayivuthwanga novuthwa.
Iyabethwa yaseJoburg.
Liyaphanda.
Uyakwazi Chomi?
Sesisilamba manje senza into zibe complicated. Yo,
Khululele ndini.
uthi uyabethwa yile yaseJozi yangaphandle.
Ndona nenye into bishot.
No, u-Anita.
Ngicela i-sweet nale.
Ama-heartraters
Amashukela.
Okay, bomama.
amashukela wethu aze afeyile.
Hlele izawufeyila nje kawugalela kuyo kafeyila. I-sweet nut from God. Now I don't eat sugar. Sisingasanisi ngesixhosa.
Siyamixeka
Hayi khawuyokumosha. Fikelisa le nto. Okay, shomzoni lahlela kwelo cala le. Ayakumosha ntombi. Yintoni wamosha ngayo kade ngumntana?
ayigcwele eyasento ibhini
Ibhini yakho?
ibhini yakho besilaphe khona
Besilahla lo. Oh, checkers.
ibonile
Thina ngani lahlela ngami nguwe kwelo cala. Fine la.
sis weight loss
Yebo, wengani ngizithathe zombili. Ngizithathe zoyi-2 ke sana.
oh hayi awuna peace I think kodwa na
Sorry to my ex, you deserve more. Sorry to my ex-boss, but I'd rather stay poor. Well, so maybe I'll go to hell. Watch me go. Yeah, maybe I'll go to hell. Watch me go. I guess you can never tell. If you go to hell, when will these clouds go away, turn into rain, and when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where all the clouds go away and turn to rain. Drinking way too much, drinks I can't afford. Annoyed by little things, wanna kick people out the door. Well, so maybe I'll go to hell. Watch me go. And maybe I'll go to hell. Watch me go. I guess you can never tell. You never know if you'll go to hell. When will these clouds go away, turn into rain, and when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where all the clouds go away and turn to rain. You say you burn forever in hell. Will it hurt forever, or will I get used to the pain? You say you burn forever in hell. Will it hurt forever, or will I get used to the pain? When will these clouds go away, turn into rain, and when will the stars in my head?
Guys, ukuzala kukuzolola. I am busy packing i-party packs instead of sleeping. Akubandi ye. Andikwazi nokucela umyeni babeli, please help me.
Do good instead. I wanna fly
Done. I'm gonna go and pick them in the car. Yeah, I am done.